Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can play a skill game in the Muertos daily challenge of EA Sports FC Mobile 24. So this is the semi-final. So before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game, still confusing how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest, so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap play, tap the live events, and tap the challenge mode. And the first one, Dia de Muertos Daily Challenge. So we are going to play the semi-finals. It will be a skill game. So you will get a 20 cempasúchil if you win it. So in this semi-final, we are going to play a dribble race. So you have to use the virtual stick and get to the finish line before your opponent does. So the red is your opponent and you have to win it before your opponent. This is a race. So there are 2 attempts. If you fail, so you have to control. You have if you fail, there are second attempt here. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.